What's up guys, this is Chris with Half Chrome. I'm finally catching up with a lot of things I have to do for the channel, including some Evo II content. So recently went to North Carolina, doing a couple videos with content I created there. But we had a chance to get into the Charlotte Motor Speedway, not on a race day, but to fly around there, which was pretty cool. So didn't get to chase any race cars, but did get to follow a little bit a Toyota Tacoma at least, and drive around the track at 120 miles an hour, which I have to tell you is a different sensation than what you might think. Not that fast, certainly not NASCAR speeds, but a very interesting experience.
Oh wow, holy smokes. This is different than a video game. Oh my gosh.
So my time at the track was limited, didn't get the time to set up nearly all the shots that I wanted, but did have some time. We hung out kind of down in pit row and did some flying from there. We kind of got booted off. I could have flown longer, but I didn't really want to be flying around people I didn't know who were moving onto the track, and we kind of got the boot off. But regardless, got a little bit of footage that was pretty good. The filter I flew with was ND16 from Freewell. Love their filters, high quality as always, no issues. Thanks to Freewell for sending them, full disclosure. And I've got another video I'm going to produce that's got some North Carolina content as well on that filter package. Flying there also gave me the opportunity to finally learn how to actually get LAANC authorization. So it's first time for me. I'm used to flying out here in the cornfields. There's no airports nearby, so had to look around. Notice there's an airport that actually most of the NASCAR guys fly out of that's very close to the Motor Speedway. Now strangely, 1/4 of the track is off limits for flying. So I couldn't get LAANC authorization, and I think it's in the northwest corner of the track. I'll throw an image up here of where I got the authorization. No issues, super cool to be able to do that, get basically instantaneous authorization now. So it's a pretty smooth system. Ability to fly, I think it was under 100 or 200 feet, and I didn't need to go any higher than that, so that was fine. So pretty cool. A little strange that 1/4 of the track is blanked off. Now one of the guys that helped us out there did mention somebody's gotten into trouble there. I think the track tried to do some footage, and they were flying in the wrong part of the track, which is a no-no. So cool that I was able to do that, and I will say I tried a couple different apps, and the one I liked the most was AIRMAP. I found it just more intuitive, easier to get the areas that I wanted. And the other one I tried was, Before You Fly, which links you into Kitty Hawk. Did prefer AIRMAP. Not sponsored by AIRMAP at all for that. It's just what I learned and what I preferred. I took the Evo II because of its awesome 6K camera, and it's a much more refined system than some other things. The original Evo. So no more software glitches. Really a joy to fly this thing. So if you want to check out that filter video, I will be producing that in a few days as well. Make sure you check that out. Make sure you check out my Evo video on flying indoors as well. So much easier experience with the Evo II than with some other drones. Now while the filters and the Evo II were provided for us, right, I'm trying to do an unbiased review as always for Half Chrome. And I'm just being honest with you, I do love this drone, and the filters are high quality as well. So make sure you subscribe to watch those videos, and I will see you guys next time on Half Chrome.